Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here in this video I'm going to show you two ways how you can turn off vanishing mode on your Instagram application. And so let's start the video. First of all, go to your Instagram profile and go to your chat option, and here you can see the circle option. That means this is a vanishing mode chat. Click it, and here you can see seen message will be disappear when you close the chat. So the first method to close the vanishing, to turn off the vanishing mode, is go to the profile here and select privacy and safety, and after that turn off this vanishing mode option. And as you can see, the vanishing mode option is turned off, and the other option is just hold on to your screen and swipe up. As you can see, the vanishing mode is turned on. Do the same process again, hold on to your screen and swipe up, and as you can see, the vanishing mode is turned off. So in these two ways you can easily turn off your vanishing mode in your Instagram chat. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.